What's up guys, 𝐿 here from 𝐿𝐷. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to drop the top off your 2018 Chevy Camaro. There's pretty much two reasons that you're searching out this video. One, you've never tried it before, or two, you're brand new to this car. Regardless, I'm going to be teaching you the step-to-step basis on how to drop the top off your Chevy Camaro using the key fob. Let's get it. The first step is to simply lock and unlock as he stated. I know that's fucking wrong. So you're gonna lock and unlock the vehicle, and then you're gonna be holding the roof button right down here, and it should bring it down. Now if it doesn't work, that's simply because the tab inside of the trunk isn't currently put up. So we're gonna walk over to the trunk. In order to unlock the trunk, you have to double tap the button or press the button right down here. And here's the tab I was referring to. You want to clip it right up, just like this. Now without the tab being up, it will not drop the roof. Not sure why, but it just doesn't. Alright, now let's go back to the front of the vehicle. Alright, so we're going to repeat the same process again. Lock and unlock the vehicle. Now you're going to hold the sunroof. I said sunroof. You're going to be holding the roof button, and there it is. Alright, let me walk around it. Woo! There you have it guys. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know what it is down in the comments below. Now this channel is solely based on how to pretty much customize your vehicles, tips and tricks. Really it was based off technology, but I do want to move into the automotive field. So if you have any questions in terms of how to troubleshoot your car, how to get it up and running, what's wrong with your car, why is it idling the way it is, why is it running rough, let me know down below and I'll be sure to create a video for you. Anyways guys, 𝐿𝐷 here from 𝐿𝐷, and I am out again. Peace.